Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. This week I have got 2 new collections for you guys. We were gonna do more. I did sneak these in the Facebook group a couple of days ago, but I didn't realize until a couple of days ago that Mom and Mike are actually gonna be gone all week next week. They're going back down to Disney. So I wanted to not release any more than 2 collections. And I'm just gonna keep, at some point we're gonna have a big release, I feel like, of a lot of kits, but I have no idea when that's actually ever going to be able to happen. It needs to happen obviously on a week where they're not gone. So 2 new collections this week. The first one is called Happy. The second one is called Winter. You guys might remember a similar kit to this from last year. The micro version of this kit has already been released. It's a little bit different than this because I hadn't done the reformat yet. But I'll go through this one in just a second, but this one is brand new. So let's start with the deluxe version of the kit. So I wanted to do, I'm kind of like in between right now. I don't want to do more fall kits because I feel like it's a little bit late at this point, but it's kind of early to do winter kits, which is why the one that I did do was a reformat. So I wanted to do something that could kind of be used anytime, which is this kit right here. So the foiling on this is rose gold. This one is called Happy, and it is just kind of like a nice, cozy, like stay in bed, me time, you know, self-care type of kit. So I really love how it turned out. These are the full boxes, and then I will show you the bottom washi. So I did a lot of the geometric foiling lines here, and then down at the bottom I did this one string light because that kind of is like a theme throughout the kit. And then for the bottom washi I did the string lights going all the way across. You've got your bows, your foiled bow boxes, you've got your foiled date covers, and then your weekly tracker. So here is the bottom washi as well as the full box sheet. Also, I have been doing the photoshopped images for our listing photos. You guys let me know if you don't like that down below or if you don't care either way. It's a little bit easier for me to do those, plus they all look really cohesive when they're done that way, so I kind of wanted to switch back to that. I have a hard time a lot getting the lighting perfect to be able to see the foil in the photos, and that can be really frustrating. So I wanted to mention, so there are 2 different skin tones in this kit, and that's the way that the kit is. We've actually already been printing these and Mike has been foiling them, so we're not going to be switching out skin tones for this kit. I did use both that were available, but yeah, normally if there's only one skin tone in a kit, I will like let you leave a note and I can switch that out for you. But since we used both, we're just gonna keep them like this. And then also, like I said, we've got big stacks already foiled of these. I'm trying to get as much done as possible before they go so that I'm not behind. So we've got your second sheet here has your 3-bow checklist, your date numbers, you've got your icons, your scripts, your movie marquee. Next sheet is the same in all of the kits. You've got your flags, your appointment labels, your 1/8 boxes, 1/4 boxes, and 1/2 boxes. Next sheet has got your little things, you have your cut washi, and then you have your glitter headers down at the bottom. Also, foiled glitter headers or non-foiled, whichever you like, are available for both of these collections. Yeah, so next sheet, sorry guys. Okay, so next sheet is your ombre bow checklist. You've got your flags, and then you've got your daily trackers. You do have 1 of the 3-bow checklists, 2 of the 2-bow checklist, and all of that is the deluxe version of the kit. Next version is the mini kit, and you guys seem to really be loving the mini kits lately. I've noticed a big incline since I changed the format of these mini kits, where now I feel like a lot more people are picking up the mini kits versus the deluxe kits. I personally am using the mini kits now. I just like to use it with the glitter headers because I'm not the biggest fan of the scalloped bow headers. I like them, I just don't like them for the top bar, if that makes sense. So your full box sheet is exactly the same. Your next sheet, you've got your flags, your movie marquee, your scripts and icons, date numbers, and checklist. Next sheet is that same sheet from deluxe. You've got your appointment labels, your 1/4 boxes, 1/2 boxes, 1/8 boxes. And then your next sheet has got your scalloped bow headers. You've got a row of various headers. You have your cut washi and your little things. And then your last sheet has got that same bottom washi, date covers, and then you've got your weekly tracker, 2 daily trackers, and then your bow box up top. And then we do have B6. I think I mentioned this last week. So B6 now is back to being the regular sized full boxes. This just makes it way easier on me. And also I need to mention this. I, for the first time, like ever, probably not ever, I'm sure we've done this before at some point, we're gonna be offering the full box sheet a la carte. I don't like to do a la carte items, but people have been requesting it a lot ever since I started with the micro kits. So we're gonna try it out, we're gonna see how it goes, and then I will kind of like keep you guys updated because I'm not a fan of doing a la carte sheets, but hopefully since it's just the one, it'll be okay. So B6 is the same size as everything else. These are just regular Erin Condren vertical sized full boxes. So your next sheet is actually the same sheet here. So you've got your half boxes, quarter boxes. Next sheet, you've got some more boxes. You have some 3-bow checklist, your little things, your scalloped headers. Checklist here, daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then cut washi. And then your last sheet has got your foiled date covers, you've got your foiled washi strips, and then your icons. And then for this collection, we do have the micro kit, which is this right here. So I went with these 2 full boxes. This one isn't foiled. I generally try to do 2 that are foiled, but I really wanted to keep that in there. So you've got your foiled date covers, your bow boxes, your bow flags, you've got some bow checklists, some scalloped headers, and then you've got your 3-bow checklist, your icons, date numbers, and then some boxes over here. And that is the micro kit. I've been getting a lot of emails about these. So for micro kits, what's supposed to happen, originally they were supposed to only be up on Friday. I always forgot to take them back down, so they were up Friday through like Monday morning, which is what's supposed to happen. They're supposed to be a deal the same way $2 Tuesday is. So they were supposed to come back down, but a lot of people are wanting to pick them up during $2 Tuesday, which means that they would technically be up until like the next Friday. So for right now, we're gonna be leaving them up, just the newer one that releases. So I'll be leaving this one up probably through next Thursday. I don't know if we're gonna keep doing it that way because it really throws off stock count by the time that I'm like, already have all the ones from the weekend printed and cut. I get to $2 Tuesday orders and realize we need, you know, this many more. But yeah, so I've been getting a lot of emails about ones that aren't available anymore because I did take down like the huge release that we did. So once a month, I will re-release all of the micro kits. I'll probably do it on a Tuesday as like part of $2 Tuesday, and it'll be the past month's kits, and they'll be available for a couple of days. So if you missed out on any of the micro kits, just keep an eye out for that. I'll post on Instagram as well as in the Facebook group. Okay, next collection is winter. This was one of our like all-time best-selling collections, not even just for that season. And I love this kit. I think it's so, so beautiful. So these are your full boxes. The only change that I did is I went ahead and I put a little bit of like an opaque background over top of this, just so that this quote showed up a little bit better. And then you can see it has got kind of like this sparkle overlay on most of these boxes, which to me looks like falling snow. I think it's really pretty. I love photo kits. I'm gonna start doing more of those because I feel like I kind of quit there for a bit. And there's a couple of winter/Christmas photo kits that I want to re-release. So this is your bottom washi and date cover sheet right here. And then I'm just going to kind of flip through everything since this is the same format. And like I said, the micro kit for this had been released a couple weeks ago. I'll put it back up for this weekend because it's definitely not up anymore. So we've got your functional sheet here. The colors in this kit are very neutral. So you've got kind of like a tealish blue, brownish gray, a brown, and then kind of a taupe. Here is your glitter header as well as your washi and your little things, and then your ombre bow checklist. And then I don't have the mini kit, or the micro kit I should say, sitting here. I guess I could go grab one. I've been packaging those all day. But the box that has the quote does not look like this. It's the older box, but you guys will see that on the website if you're interested. So this is the mini kit. You've got the same sheet of full boxes. You've got your date covers, your checklist, and your icons. You've got this sheet here that has got your half boxes, quarter boxes, labels, and then you've got your cut washi, your scalloped bow headers, your various headers, and your little things, and then your daily tracker, weekly tracker, and then your bottom washi, as well as your date covers. Don't know how well I showed this, but I'm obsessed with this kit. I love it so much. And then we've got the B6 version. So again, you've got your regular sized full boxes, and then we'll also have the full boxes available a la carte. If I forget to put up the micro kit, which I probably will, somebody just let me know like in the Facebook group or something, and I'll put it up really quickly. Here's your sheet with your scalloped headers. You've got some checklists, little things, boxes, appointment labels and half boxes, and then here is your washi strips, date covers, and icons for B6. So yeah, that's this week's new releases. We do have a Facebook code this week. I don't know if I've mentioned that in the group yet, but we are gonna have a Facebook group coupon code. It's a mouthful. So if you're interested in that, I do keep the Facebook group linked down below. And yeah, if you're watching this video, these are up. I've been doing new releases at really weird times. So if you're watching this video right now, these are already up on the website. So I will post the code in the Facebook group tonight because they may be up tonight. So yeah, I hope you guys love them, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.